A long straight wire carries a certain current and produces a magnetic field 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Weber per meter square. This is 10 to the power of minus 4 is here. Okay. The Weber, that is magnetic field value is given at a perpendicular distance of 5 centimeter from the wire. Okay. An electron situated at 5 centimeter from the wire moves with a velocity of 10.7 meters per second towards the wire along a perpendicular to it. That means one wire is there here that length is equal to 5 centimeter. One electron is situated from the wire. This is the electron. It is situated from, this is the electron. It is situated 5 centimeter from the wire. And it is moving perpendicular to the wire with the velocity of v, that is equal to 10 to the power of 7 meters per second. Okay. The force experienced by the electron will be, that is a charge of electron, that is 1.6 into 10 power of minus 9 coulomb. Okay, charge. Then, so for this one, we need to find here the direction, that is the force, everything we need to find here. Force we need to find here. Here the data they are given, that is the magnetic field, B value 2 into 10 power of minus 4, and velocity they are given, and a charge value they are given. With this value, we know that the magnitude of the force experienced by the electron is, that is F is equal to E into V sine E into V B sine theta. B to sine theta. Since this charge electron particle will move perpendicular to this wire, then E V B sine of 90 degrees. Since it is perpendicular, it is 90 degree. Okay. Then by substituting the values here, that is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 times V is equal to 10 to the power of 7 times B value is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4, and sine 90 value it is 1. Then if you are going to simplify this value, we get the answer 1.6 into 2 is equal to 3.2 times 10 to the power of minus 9, it is minus 19. It is minus 19, and 10 to the power of minus 4 is 10 to the power of minus 23, minus, that is a plus minus 23 and plus 6. This becomes 10 to the power of minus 60. Then the force, this is, that is in terms of Newton. Okay. Here the sign, negative sign indicates, it denotes the direction of the force. That's it. Then we got the value here 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Then we can, that is a minus 16. So minus 16. That is option B is the right answer.